I want to talk about these two electric knife sharpeners, one from DSkiley and one from Northmas. Is there one that's better for your kitchen? We're going to go through them and find out.
First, looking at the DSkiley.
Now, operation, extremely easy. Take a look right at the bottom. You've got this right here, the padded bottom. So this isn't going to slide around a lot while you're sharpening. Very important. Like I said, 3-stage. So you've got coarse, fine, and polish. So depending on exactly how dull the knife you're using is, you may want to go through the entire gamut. If you got a knife that just needs a little bit of a touch-up, fine or polish might simply do the trick. It's going to depend on exactly what shape your knives are in. As far as operation, one button operation right here to turn it on. And I've got a paring knife that I'm going to touch up a little bit today. And you'll see you've got 2 sides. And what I do is I'll usually go 5 passes on each side per stage. Obviously, if the knife is very dull, I'll start down here, work my way down. That's what I'm doing for demonstration purposes today. You may not need to go through the entire gamut, but and after that, you got the polish right here, just to put a fine little touch on it. You can see the final result right here. Now taking a look at the Northmas 2-stage sharpener, you can see right down here the feet suction cup. That's really good, so that's going to hold it in place as you're sharpening. Right here is where you plug in the cord to power it. And like I said, 2-stage, 1 button to turn it on. And very easy. You're simply going to start with the crude and finish with the fine, depending on exactly how dull your knife is. If you've just been using it for a little while and you need to touch it up, you can just touch it up with a fine, but we're going to go through the entire process with this knife right here. And it's that easy. You'll put it through and pull. And I usually go 5 or 6 times on each side. Depending on exactly how dull the knife is, you may need to go a little bit longer. And after I've done the crude, I'll move over to the fine to touch up the blade. Just put a fine, finish little polish on it. Easy to use, and there's the finished result. So if you're trying to decide between these 2 electric knife sharpeners, they're both designed to make sharpening easy, but they're built for slightly different types of users. Let's start with the first one, DSkiley. This is a 3-stage sharpener. This one is more of a full system. It uses 3-stage diamond sharpening, and that processes repairs, sharpens, and then polishes the blade. So if your knives are really dull or even slightly damaged, this gives you a more complete restoration. It also has a preset 20-degree angle guide, and that helps keep the blade at the correct angle when you're using it automatically, so you don't have to accidentally ruin your knife. Plus, it includes features like a strong motor and built-in metal shavings collector, which makes cleanup that much easier, and it gives you more of a premium heavy-duty feel. Now, this one right here from Northmas, this is more of a 2-stage system, and it's about speed and simplicity. You've got a coarse stage to sharpen and a fine stage to polish. So that's it. No extra steps, no more complexity. What makes it really easy to use is if you want to use it quickly and touch up your knives and get back to cooking, great option. Also, it's a little bit more compact, so it takes up less space in the kitchen, and it's easier for small kitchens. Another big difference is usability. The 2-stage sharpener is designed to get your knives sharp in about 30 seconds, which with just a few pulls is perfect for quick everyday use to get you back to cooking. With the DSkiley, it takes a little bit more time, and it gives you a more refined, longer lasting edge. So here's the easiest way to decide. Go with the DSkiley 3-stage sharpener if you want more professional level results, better restoration for dull or damaged knives, and extra features like angle guides and cleaner operation. You want to go with the Northmas if you want fast, simple sharpening and a compact, space-saving design, or something easy for everyday maintenance. Really, at the end of the day, both of these are going to make your knives sharper. It really comes down to whether you want maximum performance or precision and speed and simplicity.
If you'd like one of these for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.